Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making tzatziki sauce, which takes only about 5 minutes. Let's start by grating a little garlic. Now grate the cucumber. You only need about half a cup, so this does not take very long. Sprinkle a bit of salt over the grated cucumber and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. Then squeeze out all the cucumber water using your hands. Then squeeze again with a paper towel to make sure it's completely dry. Let's chop the dill. And make the sauce. To make the sauce, add the Greek yogurt, garlic, olive oil, dill, and lemon juice. Mix it well. And then add the strained cucumber and mix again. And you're done. And just chill it until you're ready to use. I love to drizzle a little olive oil for even more flavor. It really does make a difference. Till next time, enjoy!